In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a video post on Substack. Whether you're looking to engage your audience with visual content or offer subscriber-specific videos, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you understand each part as we move forward. To begin with, you'll want to log into your Substack account. Simply navigate to the website, substack.com, and sign in using your credentials. Once you've landed on your dashboard, you're already on your way to creating engaging content for your followers. From the dashboard, your next move is to click on New Post. This option is prominently displayed and will lead you directly to the editor where all the magic happens. This editor is the powerhouse of your content creation, providing the tools you'll need to make your video post come alive. Once you're in the editor, you need to specify that your post will be a video. Look at the top area of the editor, and you'll see the format options. Go ahead and select the video post type. Substack conveniently supports both uploading video files directly and embedding videos from popular platforms like YouTube or Vimeo, giving you the flexibility to choose what works best for your content strategy. Let's go into more detail about getting your video onto Substack. If you've opted to upload a video file directly, you have a couple of simple methods. You can drag and drop the video file right into the post editor, or click the video upload button to navigate to your file. Substack supports a variety of formats like .mp4 and .mov, but it's crucial to note that the maximum file size you can upload may depend on your Substack plan, typically starting around 500 MB or more. Alternatively, if you're embedding a video from another platform, just paste the video link into the editor. It's really that straightforward. Substack takes it from there and embeds the video player for you, ensuring a seamless viewing experience for your readers. After your video is in place, it's time to craft a compelling title and description. These elements help set the stage for your content and provide context or additional information necessary for your audience to fully appreciate your video. Spend a little time thinking about a catchy headline and an informative description to captivate your viewers' attention. Now, consider who you want to view this video. On the right side panel of the editor, you have options. You can send your content to everyone, restrict it to free subscribers, or share it exclusively with paid subscribers. It's an excellent way to tailor your content distribution based on your engagement strategy. Finally, once everything is set to your satisfaction, you're ready to make your video live by clicking Publish Now. Substack also offers a feature to schedule your post for a future date or save it as a draft if you need more time for tweaks. And with that, your video post is ready to reach your audience, adding another layer of engagement to your Substack offerings.